Buzz Turtle and Screeching Toast here, and today we're gonna try and attempt to make a bottle rocket. There's gonna be some iced tea, Faygo Rock and Rye, Mountain Dew, chili powder, and vanilla extract all in a bottle. We're shaking it up, we're gonna throw it at the ground really hard. Screeching Toast have the honors of blowing it up.
Don't blow up. I'm scared. Oh my god.
Someone go bring me evidence.
Dude, the bottle is F.
Is that the Kroger label in the middle of the water?
The bottle is F.
Oh my god. On.
The captain here.
That, my friends, would be the label completely blew off of it.
Smells like vanilla extract.
Yeah.
Alright, well that's it for this episode with the Screeching Toast. Here you go. And
Now, this is
Explosive
the
Turtle.
cement